Good morning, first graders. Today we are going to read the story called The Hat, which is one of the little short stories from the Frog and Toad series. So our first vocabulary, I wanted us to take a look at some vocabulary words before we get started. Whoa, that zoomed in a lot. There we go, it's a little better. All right, so let's take a look at our first vocabulary word, and that word is beautiful. Can you say beautiful with me? Beautiful. So if something is beautiful, that means it's having beauty. And I see that suffix full. So that could mean it's full of beauty. So take a look at it there. Isn't that such a beautiful picture? I wouldn't mind being there right now. You can see the beautiful water. It almost looks like glass in those trees. Wow, that looks so for the school year coming up. It's super cute. Happy. Next word, giant. Pardon. All right. Next of and the pleasant. Next. Now I little dog. One that is of feeling sad. Our vocabs for this video. I'd like you now to click on the one and read the hat with me.